In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove starred emails in Gmail. Email management can sometimes feel overwhelming, and a cluttered inbox is nobody's friend. Fortunately, Gmail offers a handy feature called starring that allows us to quickly highlight important emails for easy access. Whether you're new to Gmail or just want to optimize your email organization, this guide will help streamline your process. To begin, let's talk about adding stars to your emails. Imagine you're looking at your inbox and you see an email that you know you'll need to refer back to frequently. It could be a client's email that requires a thorough response, or maybe an important memo from your boss. Once you've identified this email, adding a star is a simple way to make it stand out. Just navigate to your Gmail inbox and take a glance at the line of emails. Next to each email, usually on the left, you'll notice a faint star icon. By clicking on this star, you're essentially bookmarking that email. Instantly, the star turns yellow, signifying that it's now a starred email. What's great about this feature is its simplicity and quick access. Later, when time is of the essence, you can locate all your starred messages in one place by clicking on the starred section on the left sidebar of Gmail. This gathers all your prioritized emails into one easy to access folder, making your life just a bit easier. Now let's move on to how you can remove this star when you no longer need the email highlighted. Maybe you've dealt with the urgent task, or perhaps the contents of the email are no longer relevant. When that time comes, you will first want to navigate to your starred folder or look through your inbox as usual. Find the email whose star you want to remove and simply click on the yellow star. With that one simple click, the star will vanish and the email will return to its normal state in your inbox. This is incredibly useful for keeping your starred folder relevant and up to date with only your current most important emails. One tip to keep in mind is that you can also change your star settings in Gmail's settings menu, where options allow for different star colors and symbols, which can be used for various priority levels or categories. This way you can customize your organization even further should you wish it. So there you have it, how to add and remove starred emails in Gmail. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your most important communications are always easy to find. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps in making your email management just a bit smoother.